All right. Hello everyone. I hope this is recording. We're off on another ride. I hope you're all doing well. You're all absolutely fine. I've not been away on a hiatus. I have just been lazy. Actually, I've also been busy because editing videos is not easy. It is pretty time intensive, and I've just not been able to find the time to focus on editing the videos I've been shooting. So there is a bit of a backlog. I have quite a few videos in the pocket, but until I actually get the time to be able to sit down, take a break from family responsibilities and also work responsibilities, it becomes very difficult to edit anything. Excuse me. But hopefully I will improve. I'll be able to figure out some magic bullet that helps me edit videos a lot faster. So it makes you wonder how some of the other vloggers do all of this stuff, and my suspicion is that some of them have hired editors to do all of this for them, but I could be wrong. Anyway, so today is another very special ride. Today we are on our way to Jaipur. We initially had planned to do a Golden Triangle trip, but I really don't feel like stressing myself out and pushing myself to drive for 6 to 8 hours continuously, maybe even more. I just don't see any incentive to do that right now. So I've decided to just head to Jaipur directly while the rest of my riding group arrives there from Agra. And I'm joined by two buddies on this direct to Jaipur trip, Sunil and DJ. And yeah, basically we're just kind of going to have a bit of a relaxed weekend. I think everybody really needs a break right now, and I don't know why traffic is fucked up today, but maybe because it's Saturday, or maybe because this is how Indian traffic works. It is unpredictable AF, and sometimes it's just one thing that causes traffic jams for kilometers and kilometers. But we'll get through it. Unfortunately, we cannot take the Mumbai Expressway, so this is what we're gonna have to put up with for the most part. But theek hai, it's par for the course. This is kind of what you have to deal with. This is what I deal with when I go to the office as well. So it's almost like another day at the office, at least until we get out of the more SEZ-ish zones. But yeah, anyways, that was the backdrop to today's ride. So yeah, there's not much else to say or to show right now. अभी traffic jam भी क्या दिखाऊंगा आपको. It's not like कोई बहुत नई चीज़ है. तो ठीक है, जब अगला कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग आता है तब मैं दोबारा शूटिंग रिज्यूम कर दूंगा. फ़िलहाल तो देखा एक ट्रैक्टर ने कितना करोड़ों का नुकसान किया होगा in terms of fuel being burnt, in terms of रुक जाना भाई, in terms of time being wasted. Anyways, चलो निकल गए वहाँ से. तो until the next पंती. So we decided to stop at Panchgaon because we kind of know the place, and it's a reasonable distance out from where we started off from. So yeah, there you can see Sunil and DJ are waiting for me. So anyway, so we'll just stop here, refresh ourselves a little bit, stretch, and then head out. So that's the plan. So the first time I'm coming here, I'm seeing more cars than bikes. Ooh. क्या मस्त ट्रैफिक मिला।
हाँ यार ट्रैफिक था यार।
क्या टट्टी एंचर टाइम निकला है या निकलने का।
कोई नहीं, अब नहीं, आगे तो नहीं मिलेगा।
होपफुली हाँ। चलो, anyways, we are going to get something to eat very quickly and then we'll make a move. Alright guys, so हमारा ब्रेक हो गया है पंचगांव में and now we are headed to our destination in Jaipur. So यहाँ पे बस थोड़ा सा देख के चलना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ पे ट्रक्स वगैरह का काफ़ी पॉपुलेशन है। बाप रे बाप, लुक एट दिस ब्लडी केओस। इस गाड़ी वाले की तो क्या फटरी हुई होगी, ट्रक इतने पास से निकला है। So we had a good meal at Panchgaon. Nothing very heavy, but something just to hit the spot in the right places, hit the right spots, and maza aa gaya. I had my usual cheese garlic kulcha with hari mirch and lasan ki chutney. It is absolutely out of this world. So that was a quick stop, and I think now we'll probably just go on for another couple of hours. The navigation shows us about 4 hours to get to Jaipur. We'll try to cut down a few minutes, ride as long as we can without taking any breaks. But it depends on the traffic situation as well, because this is a rather busy route. पर चलो देखते हैं, बाकी बीच में थोड़ी देर बाद फिर मैं ब्लॉगिंग शुरू कर दूंगा. But yep, this is actually taking me back to our Jaisalmer trip, because the route is kind of similar to some extent, or to some point. So yeah, there's a lot of memories. But yeah, I will see you in some time. चलो चले मितवा. अपने हाइनेस के भी 26,100 किलोमीटर्स हो गए हैं. And this baby is still such a beauty to ride. ये ऐसे जाहिलों से ही बच के रहना पड़ता है भाई रोड पे. कहीं से भी साले प्रकट हो जाते हैं बस. Heading into a beautiful sunset, and this sunset will look even prettier once we reach Jaipur. Once we reach बोलना सीख ले. आप देखो डीजे के जैकेट पे हमारा थ्रॉटल टाइटन्स का पैच, और मैंने अपने जैकेट पे भी लगा रखा है. मस्त है. स्टिकर्स भी लाया हूँ मैं. सो इफ़ वी गेट अ चांस पेस्ट आवर ग्रुप स्टिकर्स wherever we can. Wow, just look at these views. I've been to Jaipur so many times, but there's something about seeing mountains which is kind of, I don't know, touches something very primal inside you. And ऐसे एसोल से भी थोड़ा सा बच के रहना पड़ता है, क्योंकि इनको लगता है सालों ने एसयूवी ले ली है तो रोड इनके बाप की हो गई है. बट लुक एट दैट व्यू. वाओ, वुडंट इट बी फन टू गो अप दैट? Stench again. Smells like a lot of shit. City का सारा shit यहीं पे आता होगा. Disgusting. Oof. All right. 12 मिनट और अभी प्रॉपर सिटी में तो आ ही गए हैं, तो we're gonna get some traffic here. But we've made it. I think this is more or less the final stretch, so not bad at all. We are now 5 minutes away from our place, so I may as well continue recording so that we record our arrival as well. Oh, this is the metro line on top of us, and I'll show you which station this is now. This is probably Ramnagar or something. Anyway, let's see. Can we tell which metro station this is? No, we cannot. Sorry. Better luck next time. La 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 la. I think this is around civil lines maybe. Alright, so that yellow building over there, I think that's us. Oh no, that's not a building, that's just scaffolding. but we're close. 1 minute. So just around this corner to the right. La 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 la. That one, that yellow building over there. That's us. But where do we park, sir? We'll figure it out. चलो पता करना पड़ेगा अब। मैं पता करके आऊँ? हैं? ठीक है।